man?
Good. Recovering, but it's hard that she can't do a lot. It's hard for her, as it would be for anyone else.
Yeah.
Because we feel like, hey, I can't do anything. I need help for everything. So.
Yeah, that has to be difficult.
Thanks for asking.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Hey guys, I don't know if I said I was here, but I'm here.
Oh, how you doing, man?
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
All right. Well, we pull. You guys got the quiz pulled up? We ready to go?
Yeah. Yep.
Let me get there.
Yes.
Hey, Zach, thanks for setting up the links again.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Hey, it's no problem. Like, my computer's been kind of weird. I don't know if my computer or if it's the way I've been doing it. There's something going on with YouTube. But if I do it really early, like if I do it a few hours early and send the link, when I go to broadcast the link, I don't have that option anymore. I don't know what that, like, why that is. Maybe you guys are, have more experience and can let me know. But so that's why I've been kind of waiting for the last minute, because when I can do it then, and I just keep the link up after I make the event, and I can broadcast fine at that point.
That way always seemed to work best for me when I had done them in other classes. So
yeah, so that's what I've been doing.
Yeah,
so.
we just set a time and do it, and it seems like it works okay if you just do it a couple of minutes before,
All right. Is the answer to question 3 1? That's what I thought it is, and I haven't pulled out the book again, but I did read this a couple of days ago.
What area under a normal distribution?
Let me open my notes, but I thought it was 1 for number 3.
Yeah, I thought it was 1 as well.
Yeah, it's 1.
Yeah. And then question 4, I'm pretty sure is false.
It is.
Yeah.
Yes, no, that's false as well.
And then 5's true.
Yeah.
5 is true.
Oh.
It is symmetric.
Yes. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check that.
I think it is.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay.
I'm pretty certain.
Yeah.
Okay, what did my mom's figure represents the scenes?
C.
C?
C.
Yeah, I'm pointing at the number.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's correct.
B. A number 7?
To the following elements.
Yeah.
Wait, did you say B for 7 or C for 7?
I said B. Am I wrong?
No, I think you're right.
I think you're right.
That's probability.
Yeah, I think you're right. I don't.
Yeah, it's got to be B.
Yeah, there's. Yeah.
No. Of those 3, it's got to be.
Yeah, it's got to be B.
For 8, I got 68.
Let me look at that curve again.
Yeah, it's 68.
Yeah.
Remember, enter it as decimals, not percentages, or you'll get it wrong.
But it.
So it would be what, 0.68?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's no on that
No, it's
question.
saying-
No, it says write your answer as a percentage. So that one is
Yeah.
60.
Oh, hey, good call. I'm so sorry.
Well, you're good. Normally, you're right. So
Well,
Which
that's
is
what happened before.
amazing.
Hey, are you guys putting a percent sign or no percent sign? Or should we just do?
I'm not doing a percent sign.
Yeah, no sign. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? That was confusing because all I saw too was it said 0.42. I was like, oh, that's how I do it. I didn't understand the importance of this applet thing. Did you guys play with that? Because I did not understand the importance of it.
Yeah.
I did a little bit. I mean, I just followed what the video said. It helped out.
Me too.
Yeah, I thought it was kind of. I didn't understand. I mean, I could use it and plug the numbers in, but I didn't understand the importance of it really.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess it's just to get you an A, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
But do you guys get question number 9? Because I don't.
Yeah. I do.
How does that work?
It should be give your answer in the decimal.
You enter that. You enter -1, and then it should give you a number at the top. Does someone have the applet open?
Yeah, I do. It's 0.6827.
0.6827.
Yeah, which kind of confirms our answer from before, question 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got this.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying about that applet. Like, I know how to use it. You enter that number, and it gives you a number. But other than that,
What the applet is to give you percentages or it gives you percentages of probabilities.
Yeah.
So it
So
just
where
takes z-scores and makes percentages.
if you guys have the applet open, can someone just send the link? So because I can't find it. If you could send me the link on chat.
If you go to the very beginning of the test, the link is like it's in
Oh,
blue.
is it?
Yeah, it's right after the second question. It's in blue. It says normal probability.
It's also
Right
question number 9 as well.
Yeah, it's in 9 too. Yeah.
Well,
Obviously.
when I
What you
click,
did-
I clicked on 9 and I clicked on 9. It tells me I don't have permission to open this.
No, that's good.
Oh, there we go. There we go. I was clicking. I must have left clicked.
Wait, so
right.
you guys entered -1 in the z-score, right?
Wait, so I'm confused. What did you guys get for number 9 again? I just want to make sure I was right.
It's 6827. It's 0.6827.
2-7, yeah.
Are you?
6827, is that what you said? You cut out.
Yeah, 827.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, so 0.6827.
So it'd be 0.683
Yeah, so
for rounding to
3. Yeah.
Oh, okay. There we go. Number 10, then I got 0.955.
Hey guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to go back for question 6. We decided C, right? And 7 is B.
7 is B, 6 is C. Yeah.
Sorry, I when I clicked on, I got kicked out of the quiz, and I'm trying to catch up. 8 was 68%, and 9
Was
0.683.
0.6827. Give me that one more time, please.
No, it's 0.683. You're supposed to round to the third decimal place.
And then the next one I got 0.9, 0.99.
What's this? Is it to 3? It's supposed to be a 3 decimal place. Is it just 99?
Yeah, well, yeah, so it's 0.99, I guess. I don't know. But it kind of rounds up, so I don't. What do you think we should put?
0.997 would probably be the answer that they're looking for.
And this is for 10,
Okay.
right?
That's
Hey, am I entering this wrong? Because I got 0.0455.
Yeah.
What
yeah.
part is highlighted?
oh, good point.
It depends on what you're highlighting in the probability applet. So the middle part needs to be the blue part that's highlighted.
hmm
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So, yeah, yeah, you're right. But now I got 0.95.
For which
Really?
for which answer?
The middle
For
part.
10, are we on 10?
No, we're on 11. Graham just answered 11. So 10.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So 10 is 0.955.
Yep.
All right,
Three
sorry.
decimal places.
Sorry, guys. I think I'm back with it. So 11.
You got the answer for 11?
Yeah, 0.99 because it's 0.9987. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, guys. 12.
Okay.
I got the first answer.
Yeah. The value matches the roll.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
These quizzes are getting longer and longer.
Yeah.
Wait, did you guys get A for 12?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mass consuming is different for every person.
Okay.
0.7.
Population mean input.
Okay, so it's 0.60 minus
Hey, can you
5.
I just don't remember. I remember going over this in the book, but I remember everything.
0.07. Yeah.
Initial of 0.07.
Okay.
Okay.
Put that in.
Given 8.65.
Let me check the answer to that. Okay, so the portion of the protein is what portion of the population has a protein requirement that is less than 0.6? I got 2376. 0.2376 is what I got.
Either you did it wrong or I did it wrong, but more likely I did it wrong. So
What did you get?
take me how you found it. Take me how you found it.
Okay, so do you know how to get the equation for the z-score? Is
Yeah.
the variable, which is 60, minus the mean, which would be 65, divided by the standard deviation, which is 0.07. So the answer I got from that was 0.714. And then I put that into the normal probability applet. And then I checked the box that was to the left on applet, because that's the demographic that we're looking for. Who gets less than 0.60, which I got to be 2376.
Hold on.
Yeah, 2376. 0.2376 is what I got.
Yeah.
Wait, you cut out. Did you get something? Did you get something different, Graham?
No, I got when I put it in just barely at 0.2376.
So it would be zero. So the answer is 0.238, because they ask us to round to the third decimal place.
Okay.
I think I'm doing my Z score wrong because I didn't get that. But
Yeah, just like when I use the Excel, like make sure that you minus, the variable with the mean first before you divide anything, because like if you just kind of throw it in there without the parentheses, the first part, the equation gets off.
I think that's what I did wrong. Okay, guys, we can move on. I'll work on the next one better.
Okay. Next one's pretty easy though. Next one is the same thing. You just switch sides. And then I got 0.762 is my answer. You don't even need to calculate it.
You just got to click the other side. Well, you don't need to recalculate it.
Or
Hey, did someone else get that too? 0.762?
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
interesting. All right. I got the same answer for question 15.
How'd you get that?
Get that? So
Yeah,
because I'm doing the math on an Excel sheet, the Z score on an Excel sheet. So I just change out the variable.
Oh.
So but instead of getting negative, what was the answer? Negative 0.714. I got a positive 714. So 0.714.
Oh, really?
And so which is the same answer that we were working off. So it was and those left two sections, it's the same, segments more or less. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like it's the same answer, but different. Like
you're right. Yeah, I got positive 0.714 this time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the 0.10 before you divide it.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Yep.
So then is it stay the same at points?
Yeah, sorry, it's 0.762 is the answer because it's the same like ratio, just positive swing of it.
That makes sense.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Well, guys, I'm going to go back. I'm going to open up my book to look at this.
Yeah, this one's a little more difficult. It takes longer. Would this be 0.475?
I got a different answer.
You did? Maybe
I did. What did you do? Here, I can screen share and show you what I did.
Sure. I don't know. I pretty much did the exact same thing, but then I don't know. It's kind of confusing what I did.
What did you do?
I kind of plugged both of them in a way. I don't know how to really explain it, but I didn't think I was doing it right. I just kind of guessed.
Okay, so what I did is those numbers that it's asking us about in this question, you know,
Yeah.
0.6 and 0.7 are the ones we've already done. So we
Exactly.
already have the information for those each of those z-scores plugged in to the applet. You
Yeah.
following me? Okay.
Yep.
So what we do then is we take individually just the section to the left of that positive applet, right? So we know the answer for the z-score for 0.70 is 0.714, and the
Yep.
z-score for 0.60 is negative 0.714.
Yeah, I have that on my app right now.
Okay. Yeah. So what we do then is we take the section just to the left of the positive z-score, which is 5248, and then you minus it, the smaller section, if just that smaller section, which is 23,676. So that's what I did, as I just took, and so that should give us the probability or that number.
0.227.
Yeah. Well, the number I got was 2872.
Yeah.
I believe that's how we're supposed to do it.
So it'd be 0.287 because to the 3 decimal.
Yeah. Yep. Does anybody disagree or have a different answer? Think that's how we do it, but I'm not 100%.
I'm gonna be honest. I still have to figure this one out, so I'll trust you.
Well, it makes sense because what it says on here, it's in the hint. It says remember to find the area between the two values, shade to the left of each z-score. So
Yeah.
that's what you did. So that makes more sense. What I did was different. I was shading different boxes, so that's why I did different scores. So
Oh, okay.
it makes sense to me.
Yeah.
It's a good hint.
Does everyone agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I won't
Alright.
through that with you guys.
Wait, so we agreed on points. What was it again? 0.7 what?
Point.
0.287.
Yeah.
0.287.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay. I'm just gonna have to review this later for the test as well. I need to make sure I know how to do it.
Yeah.
So a lot of what this comes down to is knowing the equation for the z-score. So working the equation for the z-score frontwards and backwards, and then learning how to plug into the applet, and then taking information from the applet, and that's taking information from the z-score, using that to get the answer in the applet, or taking in an answer or plugging the answer into the applet and then working the z-score backwards. So
Okay.
I know that might not make a lot of sense, but as you go through the reading again, that's what it's pretty much saying, is just to know how to use the z-score and associated with the applet frontwards and backwards. The 17 is we got to work it backwards. So,
Okay. I'll be sure to revisit that too.
So yeah, this is the one that confused me, Zach. So for the
Okay.
percentiles.
Yeah, so it should be you plug into the area, I believe.
Yeah. You plug into the area. What is it? What's the percentile for this one?
0.35. Yeah, 35.
Yeah, 0.35.
And then you take your z-score, the z-score down at the bottom, find the protein requirements for the adults.
So then you
If it's 35th, you would take the negative answer or the positive answer?
see, that's where I'm confused.
The negative one would make more sense to me.
The negative would make more sense, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the negative.
Okay, so if you take the negative,
Many times. Okay, and then pull up the Excel sheet.
5 divided by
Okay, so we do 0.44. Times 0.07. And then you're going to add, what is it? What's the standard deviation on this one? It means 6.65. Okay.
So Zach, once you get your answer, if you could explain it to me, 'cause I'm confused, honestly.
Okay. Find the 60th percentile. Okay, so what I got was 0.618. 0.618 is what I got. Okay. I want to make sure I work this right. Okay, so the z-score is, how you get that is you take your variable, which is x, and you minus the mean, which in this case is 0.65.
Yeah, 0.65.
Divide that by the standard deviation.
0.07, right?
Yeah, 0.07. Okay, so in this case, and then that gets you your z-score. And this 0.65 divided by 0.07. And then, so we worked the equation, and then what we did is we put in the 35% in the area for the normal probability applet. And what that gave us is a z-score of negative 0.454. So what we do then...
which parts did you shade, though, when you put that in?
Okay, what parts do you shade? That should... Oh, does it shade it automatically? No, okay. When you put it in the area, it shades the area. It should shade the area automatically, doesn't it?
Oh, really? Because it's done like... So you got 0.935? Is that what you got for the z-score?
That's,
I think you just put it in the middle. You see, I think you shade it in the middle.
Okay,
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so you put it in the middle. Yeah, you put it in the middle. And then that's how I got, so then I used the negative side because it's going to be the smaller end of the probability spectrum.
Yeah. And then
so that's what I used.
Multiply both sides by 0.07, right?
Yeah. So the point
So it cancels it out on that side. And then you, you add 0.065 on the other side, correct?
And then you add that's how you do it, I believe. Yeah.
I only see what I get from that.
I'm double checking when I pull it up on Excel to make sure I get this right. To add 0.65. What did I put in here?
I got 0.
Hey guys.
Point.
Sorry, my son came in, said my wife needed some help, and so I headed out. What question are you guys on now?
Oh, we're still on 17.
17, I think. 16. Okay. Let me read that and see what's up.
Yeah, with that equation, I got 0.618. So.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
I did it again on my phone. I realized that I didn't put the negative sign in there, and so I got a different answer. But I was like, okay, no, I got it. I got it right now. Yeah, so that's. Okay. All right. So you guys okay with that? Question 17?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll just rework it after we get done. I wasn't here for it, but I'll rework it.
Well, the next problem is exactly the same, just with a different number. So you'll follow it. Okay.
All right.
So then the next one, you go to the applet, you plug in 0.8 for 80%, and you make sure that just the middle section is highlighted. Then you hit enter. And the z-score, you're going to take the positive side because 80% is going to be on the larger end of the spectrum. Everybody clear? Like, good with that?
Yep.
I agree.
Okay, so we're going to get 1.282 as our z-score. All right. So then what we do is we times that. We work the z problem backwards. So times that by 0.07.
So I got
add 65.
got 0.560. Tell me if that's right once you're done.
And you guys did 0.80 minus 0.65 divided by the 0.07, right? I'm going backward because I got to start.
And you said that kind of fast. What did you just say, Diogenes?
Yeah.
So you did 0.80 minus the 0.65, which is our mean, right?
No.
No. Let's start the app.
Yeah, you gotta put the 0.8 into the applet. You have that pulled up yet?
Yeah, I have the applet, but the number to plug into the applet, I need to find that z-score first, right?
No. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna work it backwards. You're gonna at the very top there's an area. You can plug numbers into that area.
Oh.
Plug 8 into the area, and then it gives you the z-score.
Yeah, 0.8 is what you plug into the area.
Oh, okay. I was trying to find the z-score, and then it was, and so okay.
Okay, and then it will give you the z-score, and so you use that 1.282, that z-score on the right, and then for the z-score, and then you work the z-score equation backwards to find the variable, which is x.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
You follow me?
Yep, I got it.
Okay.
So you got
what is?
So z-score is giving me is 0.842. Is that correct for you guys?
No, it should be 1.282.
No.
Yeah, make sure you highlight the middle.
Yeah, make sure you're in the middle.
Oh, that's what I'm doing. Yep. No, still got it wrong. So you entered. Hold on. 0.80.
Zach,
Yeah.
for your answer, you get 0.560.
0.560. No, I did not. All right.
Maybe
Let
I
me
have to
make sure.
I'm going to recalculate it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna recalculate it too. I want to make sure I get this right. 1.2.
All right, guys, I'm there now. Sorry, I'm a little behind, but I got 1.282. What you guys got, and then just got to work it backwards from there, right?
Mm-hmm.
1.282. What is that?
I got 0.740 with the rounding.
Okay. Let's see this again.
The answer I actually got was 7394. Could have gotten 7397. Okay.
So what was your end answer?
I got after the equation it was 0.7397. What did you get?
I keep getting the same answer. I don't know why. So what I'm getting, you did an 8 again, right? Or did you do positive?
I did positive, which should be 1.282, right?
Yep. Okay.
Times 0.07.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
What did we? And then let me look at my phone just to.
Count on. And then plus 0.65, right?
And then plus point. Yeah. So when I got if I break it down, When I did 1.282 times,
I was doing wrong, but it was doing negative 1.282. So I got 0.739.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so what happened there?
I was doing a negative 1.282, but I didn't do the positive. I just wasn't thinking. So
Okay,
that was
so what did you get for the negative then? Just out of curiosity, it was 5, right?
0.560.
Okay.
Wouldn't this be 0.740 because we have to round it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'd be 0.70.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so again, we got 1.8. I'm sorry, 1.282.
Mhm.
Just to understand, because I don't want to just piggyback. 1.82, and then times 0.07, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And
Then you
then
get it, and then you add 0.65. Which is
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Hold on, let me see. Sorry, guys, I just don't want to just piggyback. Does that make sense?
yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. What are you getting?
I got something weird different. I'm redoing it right now. I think I just didn't do parentheses, and I think that's all I did wrong.
Yeah, that makes a big difference. All is one equation.
Okay, so I have now my equation that what I got is 0.73974.
Very good. That's it.
And then we got to round that, right?
Round up to 0.740.
Yep.
Okay. Perfect. And then you said for question number 17 is the same thing, so I'll just work it once we hang up, but
Yeah,
that's the same.
yeah, it's the same.
Okay. Perfect.
Then go ahead and submit it then. Hopefully, that's all right.
Are we good to submit? Yeah.
Think so. I'm just gonna rework 17, guys, but 0.35. You guys can go ahead and resubmit. I can do this.
Well,
0.54.
don't do that. Apparently, I don't know what I'm talking about.
What's going on?
Hey, we got 2 attempts. That's all good.
Yeah, all good.
You want to give it another shot?
Yeah. So
Wait, what?
yeah, don't submit. Don't submit it. Yes, because we
I'm
got
still-
the three wrong.
What was that?
You got what? You got which one's wrong?
The last 3.
Yeah, last 3 is what we got wrong.
Okay. Okay. Well, I was still working 17, so if that was wrong, maybe.
Yeah, I was still working 17 as well.
You think I have to do with the negatives and the positives if we were doing that right?
What was that?
Think I had to do with the negatives
Maybe.
and positives?
I need to relook at the book then.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to figure out is maybe if we're not highlighting what we're supposed to be highlighting.
Yeah, maybe.
Uh,
Yeah, because it never.
I know
Maybe
you guys got it wrong, but I just want to make sure I'm on the same page with you guys. For 17, do you remember? So the answer I just got for that, and I know that it was wrong, but I just want to gives me an idea where we're at. I got 0.681. Is that correct? Is that what you guys got earlier?
No, we
I
had
don't think so.
0.180 on 17 earlier. But that was one.
0.618. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So kind of got some of you guys. All right, but let me open up that book then.
Okay, so there's that.
Okay.
Yeah.
These scores.
I'm going to pull up the book and see what it says again in the book. What we did wrong.
Yeah.
So what I think, Graham, I think you're right on like the percentile. I think what I was doing is just kind of clicking around on the applet.
Yeah.
I think our process is correct. I think the information that we're getting the applet is wrong. Like we're not putting it in right.
Yeah.
When you click all three sections, it shows it as 1. If you click just the left 2 sections, so highlight the left 2 sections, and you put in 80 and 0.8, you get a different Z-score than the one we got.
Yeah.
Now, if you still keep those 2 highlighted and you put in the 35%, 0.535, then you get again you get a different Z-score and it highlights
Just the left.
a different section.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the left.
Yeah,
So I wonder if that's where our mistake was in the applet, but I want to read I want to go through the book again.
And I think that's section 3.2.
Yeah, no, 3.4. I thought
3.4.
percentiles.
Yeah.
3.4, I think.
Oh, you're right. So C-score. I think you're right, Zach. It looks what I'm looking at is exactly what you said. What we're doing, but maybe because the equation looks right.
Yeah, that's according to the no probability with that one. Okay.
Multiply both sides by. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on mute. I'm gonna have you guys watch that video. I'm gonna try to click through it, see if it has anything else.
Go for it. I'm trying to figure this out here too.
Yeah, that's what it says in here. Click on the area under the curve until only the areas left of the positive Z-score are shaded blue. Have the desired area of percentiles in the block at the top of the graph. Type in the number, whatever it is. The Z-score corresponding to this area will be displayed in the bottom right box. So no matter what, it's always positive, and you have to have the 2 parts selected. The areas selected. So that's where we went wrong. We used a negative number for the first one, and we didn't have the second box selected.
So what boxes need to be selected?
The one, how we talked about the applet, like how we different numbers
Need to be shaded. Yeah.
need to be shaded. So we always use the positive numbers, and then the middle one and then the one on the left need to be shaded.
Okay.
The right answer.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, so should we start the
We
quiz?
were shading the middle one before, right?
You were just shading the middle one before. That was wrong.
Yeah.
Middle and left.
And then I'm trying to figure out. And then we also have we missed the other one too, 16. And I'm trying to figure out what we're doing. Okay. Applet.
All right, so 16 is.
That's 3.3.
You got the answer is 3.3.
Oh no. Sorry, I'm not.
I was confused.
I'm sorry. I'm
Are you
trying to figure out how to get 16 now. Now that I know where I made my mistake, I'm looking at 16. So the section 3
okay.
in the textbook talks
Yeah.
about how to solve for that.
Yeah.
16.
That's the question of under the normal density curve. Probability to the left.
Guys, 16 seems more difficult to me than 17 and 18.
Yeah.
I agree.
I'm going to go ahead and write down the answers we got right, just so we don't have to go back and redo all the math again.
I have, Zach, I have them.
Oh, you got them?
Because I never submitted, remember?
Oh, okay. All right, that sounds good.
Because I didn't do 17.
Okay.
So, a question though, real quick on 17. When I type in 0.35 on the applet, it automatically only shades the left one for me, and then whenever I try to click in the middle one to shade it, it changes the area.
Yeah. I would just keep that as it is and just use the positive score since you put it in the book. That's my thought. I could be wrong. Obviously, I've been wrong. So.
Okay, that's fine. Just want to make sure.
Graham, what did you say it does for you?
It automatically, because in the book it says we're supposed to shade the middle and the left, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so when I have the middle and the left, I put in 0.35, and then it unshades the middle. Is that doing that for you?
I think that 35% is less than 50%.
Yeah, so
because
unshaded.
So it's going to be off. Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. I just want to make sure that was right.
Yeah, it does the same thing.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Guys, do we want to divide and conquer? One of us works on one, and never mind. We should compare answers instead of doing that because we get it wrong. Yeah.
Right.
So let me go back to 6.
So I redid 17 and 18. Let me know what you got for answers so we can compare.
Did you do 16 at all yet?
No, I'm still trying to. I went and reread the.
I'm trying to figure out 16. So let me keep working on it, and then
let's read the procedure.
Would you come up with 17 and 18, and I'll see how we did.
Okay, I got for 17.677.
Yep. And
then for 8.
0.7 something.
Yeah, 0.709.
Yeah. You rounding up on that or anything, or is it just straight?
Yeah, no, I'm rounding up on both of those. So
Same here.
for 18, I got 0.70894. And then for the 17, I got 0.67695. Walker, did you get the same things then?
Yeah, I just rounded them up. I mean, I've got
Cool.
what you got. So I need to work 16.
Just really quick, how did you get that answer for 17? Like, what did you calculate?
Okay, so using what we had talked about, you go into the applet, you put in 0.35.
Yeah.
So the right-hand box.
You get 0.385, right?
385. Yep.
You use that to rework the equation for the variable x.
Mm-hmm.
Times that number by, you times that 0.385 by 0.07, and then you'd add
0.65.
0.65. No.
So are you making that 0.677 for your roundup?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Find the probability that random select person. Subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. This is the probability that a randomly selected. I don't know what I did wrong for 17. Maybe for 16.
And then you guys got on 18.709, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, cool.
Anyone figured out 16?
No, guys, I've been trying to get 16, but honestly, I'm not getting it at all. Like, I'm rereading the question 10 times. I looked at the book, and I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah. So, all right, let's do this again then.
Maybe I guess here's my question: what information do we have to put into the applet? What is the applet looking for to give us this information?
Okay, so what I thought we had it already in there.
Are we not?
Wrong. So you have to. So you need to calculate the z-score from 60 grams of protein, right? So for the first number is 0.60. 0.60 minus 0.65, and then you divide that number by 0.07. What you get is negative.
So you did 0.6 minus 0.65. What I did was 0.6 times point. Hold on, let me see what the heck I'm doing here.
I wonder if that's what I did wrong.
0.7.
So yeah, then you ended up getting 0.714, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that's still the right answer. I don't get it.
Okay, so here's my question then. That maybe.
Hey guys, I may be doing it completely wrong, but I have 0.692. I'm gonna try to plug it in and see what I get.
Okay. So my thought then with this is is beforehand what we took was we just took the value just left like of each score. So we took the score to the negative z-score, which was 0.2376, and then we took the score which was just left of the positive, which is 5248.
Yep.
So my thought is, if we want to know what's directly in between those two, it would be the answer, which is just the middle blue box, and you can.
So it'd be 525.
5248. But I want to see if I can, maybe if I rework this problem, I can get a better answer. Okay.
Guys, I don't know what I did, but I have 0.5111.
Okay.
So 0.5111. This problem is.
I mean,
Yeah, so I think you're right because you're subtracting 7.7624 from. Well, you're subtracting that. You're subtracting 2376 from 7624, and the answer is 5248.
yeah, that would be my guess.
Yeah.
Hey guys, one idea. I have 2 submissions left. I'll sacrifice one again, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you try 0.525? Yeah, we're rounding to the third, right? Yeah.
0.525. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll change my 0.5111. I don't know what I did instead, but that's what I got. So, and then 17. Do you guys want me to just work it, or what did you guys get? I really wasn't.
0.77. 0.677. Sorry.
Yeah.
And what did you guys get for 18?
0.709.
Yeah. I didn't work at all, guys. I was working the other one, but on 16. But I'll submit this and I'll let you guys know how it goes.
Yeah.
Well, before I do this, should I give you guys all the other answers? Did you guys type the other ones in? The other numbers?
I'm pulling it up so you can give me the answers.
Okay.
Yeah, let me know.
All right, number 1 is false. All right. So number 3, whenever you guys are ready, let me know.
That's loading right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. Everyone else is.
Okay, so number 3 is 1. Number 4 is false. Number 5 is true. Number 6 is C, letter C. Number 7 is letter B. Number 8 is 68. 9 is 0.683. 10 is 0.955. 11 is 0.99. 12 is A. 13 is 2.38. I'm sorry, I gave you that wrong. It's 0.238. 0.238. And I don't know if I said these wrong, but let me go back to 10 just to make sure. And 9. 9 is 0.683. 10 is 0.955. 11 is 0.99.
997. It should be 997.
Yeah. Okay, it has to be the third.
3,
Oh, wait. Which one's 997?
11.
The last one.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Well, you guys know this than me. 15. I have 0.762. And that's
What was 14 again?
0.762 as well.
Okay, 14 and 15 are 0.762.
I'm sorry, 0.762.
Yeah.
16. That's what I'm working on. So, all right.
So 14 and 15 are the same?
Yeah, that's what I have.
They're both the same. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. I just want to make sure.
All right, I'm gonna go submit this, see what's up. All right, 16 is correct, but
Yeah.
17 is wrong. What did you guys have? I have 0.677.
That's what I have.
Yeah.
Is 18 right?
18 is correct.
What?
Yeah, I don't get it.
Hold
I
on.
don't get it.
Rounding thing. There's something stupid going on. Hold on. But so 0.709 on 18 was right. But 17 was wrong. 0.677.
How did you guys work 18 again? We can probably trace the steps backwards and see if we missed something.
So the only thing we did different from 17 and 18 was when you put in the numbers in for 17 as 0.35.
Yeah.
You guys can see my screen, right?
That
You guys can see my screen now?
it D-shades the middle zone, and we took the score on the right, which is 0.385. I wonder if that one we're supposed to. I wonder if for that one we're supposed to do the negative number, since it's just the negative.
Since it's just in the negative, that would make more sense.
Yeah, I want. I mean, because the book says take it in the right, but maybe it's just because in the example in the book, it's 0.9, which is 90%. The 35%. That's my only other thought. So we can try. Okay. I would say try negative, but if somebody has another idea, please.
I have nothing.
I got 0.623.
I'm right behind you. That's what I got. That's my.
And if we don't get it right, then I guess it's just only missed one.
Talk to the professor about it.
Yeah, and ask him.
All right, guys. Was number 6 is B and number 7 is C, correct?
Yeah. No. So number 6 is C and number 7 is B.
What's our new try on? What's our new try on 17? 0.62 something? 0.62.
3.
3.
Yeah, we're using the negative side.
Yeah.
On the applet.
Yeah. All right, guys. Number 8 is gonna be 68. Is it?
Yep.
68. It's 68.
This one is that what I remember? Now, what was number 9?
0.683.
Yeah.
And 10, same thing, right?
No, 0.955.
What is 11?
0.997.
Yeah.
What do you have for 13?
13 was 0.238.
38 and 14.
0.762.
Same thing for 15.
Yeah.
0.525, right?
Hmm.
Is that right for 16? 0.525?
Yeah.
What's 17?
0.623.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking.
That's what we're guessing, yeah.
0.62 what?
0.623.
3.
And this one was 0.7 something, was it? 0.7.
09. 709.
All right.
Hey guys, if you guys want, I can submit it since I didn't participate as much as you guys did today.
Well, we can't necessarily do that again before some of us start to get like discredit from the announcements. So he gave a little warning earlier this week saying like, careful how much, like pretty much not to do it, but
I didn't know that, sorry. I forgot.
No, you're good. I just didn't want you to get in trouble or any of us to get in trouble.
What did he say? Say that again.
Right.
We got it.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good work, guys.
So what do we think the logic was on 17?
So since it was only shaded in the negative, we assumed that we just put it down as a negative.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Well, what makes sense to me then, if you're looking at the chart, the applet,
Yeah.
if it's more than 50% or more, it's going to be in that middle box because it's going to be a higher percentage. Because that whole applet, like that whole curve underneath that whole thing equals 1. So if the percentage is less than half, it's only going to be that left side.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's what makes sense. I mean, that makes sense, but I thought that earlier. So
Oh yeah, sounds good.
all right.
All right, guys.
Broadcast. I'll go ahead and post this on the discussion board, so we'll be good to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Thanks,
right.
Guys.
Hey, thanks a lot for the help, guys. Have a good night.
Yeah,
Thanks
see ya.
a lot, guys. Thanks, Zach.
You guys.
Guys.
Appreciate it.